Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Bornona. There are three things that I love the most. One is music, second is exploring and traveling, and third is eating. So I'm a foodie and today is Sunday and I felt a little hungry towards the evening, so I thought,
Why don't I go and explore a new place?
today I have come to Chennai Food Street. Let's go and check what's there. There were so many nice places here, guys. I thought I'll stop at each stall, but I came a little late, so places are kind of getting shut down. But I have found this very interesting looking place called El Toro. It's a Mexican restaurant. Let's see what we get. Thank you. Okay. So my nachos are here and this is virgin mojito and I've ordered some chicken wings. I'll wait for them, but I can't wait to try this. It looks so yum. Cheers. Wow. Let's try this. So good, so good. It's not at all spicy, it's crispy at places and it has so many different flavors, so it's just right for me. I love it. So good. Yeah, it's amazing. This is hot also. You know, the chicken is so crispy from outside, but when you take a bite, it just melts in your mouth. I'm not kidding. Oh baby, you're such a beautiful dog. Oh. Guess what? I think we are just too late. It's Chennai. I was not used to it in Mumbai because in Mumbai it's like everything is open till late. It's 11 and the police came and asked them to switch off the lights. So guys, I really love this place and I was really pleasantly surprised. I honestly didn't expect it to be so good. So I'll leave the address of this place in the description box below and they are also on Instagram. You can follow them. I hope you enjoyed it. So see you next week. Bye.